So I happen to have lots of people asking me, Betty, what are the job opportunities here in the UK? How easy can they apply to such jobs? For my research, I came across lots of opportunities and jobs out there. But for the sake of this video, instead of bombarding you guys with all the information at once, I have decided to separate each topic and each area. Wonderful people, this is Reflections with Betty. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking. I hope you do stay by subscribing to my channel, and to my loyal returning subscribers, you guys are amazing. Thanks to all of you for your comment, for your love, for your support. I really do appreciate it. I'm promising you guys I'll continue to surprise you in a good way. In today's video, I will be talking about how to move to the UK as a health and care assistant. I recently read that care assistants and support workers have been added to UK shortage occupation list. Someone may even ask, Betty, who are these health care assistants? So they care for these patients in the hospital, residential care facilities, patient homes. Most of their duties are to check the vital signs of these patients, help them with their daily activities, and also assist the nurses when necessary. I know they have different types. Some you have to live in the properties of these patients, so you can be there 24/7. So it actually depends on what you have to do or your contracts with these care homes or working agents. Before I go on, I would like to say that this video is based on my research and experience from friends and families. I am not an immigration advisor or a visa application agent or a lawyer. If you are unsure about anything, please visit gov.uk website to update yourself or seek a professional advice. Now, let's go straight to business. To qualify for a health and care worker visa, you must be a qualified doctor, nurse, health professional, or adult social care professional. Work in an eligible health or social care job. Work for a UK employer that has been approved by the Home Office. Have a certificate of sponsorship from your employer with information about the role you have been offered in the UK. Be paid a minimum salary. How much depends on the type of work you do. Please note, before you start your visa application, you need to have a confirmed job offer, which is very important. Now let's talk about the salary requirement. You usually need to be earning at least £25,600 yearly, or I think approximately £10.10 per hour. I told you guys in my previous video that in this country, they normally pay salary hourly. So depending on the country you're coming from, just make sure you get the equivalent amount to the 25,600 annually. Check if your salary is equal to that. It can be give and take, a plus or minus. Again, if you're not too sure, as I said, make sure you go on the gov.uk website and confirm. Next, let's talk about your knowledge of the English language. This is one of the important pointers they look out for such visas. So you need to prove that you can speak English language. Unless you already did this in a previous successful visa application, it means you don't need to redo this again. But you must prove that you can read, write, speak and understand English at least to the level of B1. For B1, I think I have to explain that also later on. You can also prove your knowledge of English by passing a secure English language test from an approved provider, having a GCSE, A-level, or having a degree level academic qualification that was taught in English. Another way you don't need to prove your knowledge of English is if you're from any of these countries I have displayed on the screen right there. There's no need to go through the hassle at all. And also, if you are a doctor, if you are a nurse, if you are a midwife, if you are a dentist, you also don't need to prove your knowledge of English. Now we've gotten to the very, very important part. These are the documents you have to provide when you're applying for this kind of visa. Please pay attention to this part. So your certificate of sponsorship reference number, which your employer will give to you, your proof of knowledge of English, a valid passport, or other documents that shows your identity and your nationality, your job title and annual salary, your job occupation code. So I'm going to put a link on the screen as well, whereby when you click on it, it gives you all the various occupation with their 4-digit codes, the name of your employer and their sponsor license number. This will be on the certificate of your sponsorship. Other documents you might need to provide depending on your circumstance could be evidence that you have enough personal savings to support yourself in the UK. Example would be your bank statement, or even like your property, whatever ties you so much to your country. If you have a property in your name, like a land, sometimes you can even use your car. If the car is in your name, you can also add it. You would have to also provide a criminal record certificate. I'm sure that one you can get from the police or your formal company. The next one you have to prove is your relationship with your partner and your children. This visa in particular allows you to move along with your family. So all you need to do is, if it's like a marriage certificate, whatever you can prove with that this man is my man, this woman is my woman, just add it to your documentation. But I know when they are applying, your partner or your kids would have to apply for this visa separately from yours. Next, we're going to talk about how much you need to pay or what goes into such a visa. But when you're applying for a health and care worker visa, you need to have enough money to be able to pay for your visa application fee and also have enough for yourself, something to support yourself. I know usually it's nothing less than £1,270. And for the standard visa application fee per person, if you are applying for a 3-year visa, that's about £232. And if you want to apply for more than a 3-year stay, you would have to pay about £464 per person. But please update yourself by visiting the gov.uk website before you start your visa application. The fee is actually same whether you're applying from within UK or outside UK, and your partner and kids would also have to provide evidence that they'll be able to take care of themselves or support themselves when they come to the UK. We now know there are lots of ways to migrate to the UK. We used to think it was just through school or getting married or, those normal ways, but they keep updating things keep changing. So if there's a particular country you have interest in relocating there, I would suggest you visit their website and update yourself, know the things that are changing, how does it affect you, and how you can apply to such countries. Another good thing is, if you want to join a care company or be a health and care assistant here in the UK, you can also go through these registered agencies who can, employ you, take you through the whole process and get all the necessary documentations you will need. After all these documentations you need for your visa application are done, collected, you've double checked every single thing and nothing can be held against you. Now you can go ahead to go onto their website and apply for your visa, which I know can take days or weeks depending on the time you do apply. Then after that, hooray, they might call you that come for your passport, and if you do receive your visa, you can now proceed to go buy your flight tickets. I'll be here to pick you up from the airport. I hope today's video has been informative. If you have any questions, please do drop your comments below and I'll surely answer you. I'll be dropping all the links too that can assist you in terms of any research you like to do. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. Hopefully my next video is going to be talking about some of these agencies. You can use them to help you migrate easily to the UK. Please don't be selfish. Share my videos, like, subscribe, leave your comment below. Let's be interactive. I love you guys so much. Take care, be good. See you in my next video. If you are enjoying this channel, please subscribe, like, and share. And for any suggestions, please comment below. I will see you in my next video.